today's video, I'm actually going to go down to this market which is directly below me, which is called the Vientiane Night Market, and it's right in front of my hotel, which is the Riva Hotel, which overlooks the Mekong River. And look at the sun set there in the distance. And right across the river is Thailand. So this is kind of a little bit of a preview on where I'm going tonight. Over there, it looks like there's a little carnival going on. And see how much it stretches out all the way down there to the east. I'm actually starting out here on the west side, and I'm gonna make my way down, and let's go check this market out. I think it's gonna be really cool, so let's go. Now, I was really lucky because my hotel is actually right in front of this market, which is the Riva. And I got a really good video overlook from the balcony of my room. All types of little shops, different types of merchandise for sale, from phones to shirts, pants, shoes. Phone accessories. Nice watches. Now this market goes to about, I think 2300 to about midnight. just hit this crosswalk area. I'll just give you an idea where my hotel is because it's really neat. I am staying there at the Riva, right on the balcony. I can get a good video and overlook of this market. And you'll see that in the opening. And now I'm over here. I started from the west side. Kind of give you a little bit of perspective on where it's at. I'll head down this way. You know, over there's actually a little area to kids have a carnival, and I'll try to show a video of that at the end. Now when you look at the prices, they have it all in Laotian kips. So if you see this going by equivalent, let's say to US dollar, it's roughly 25,000 kips to $1 US as of today. Now that might vary, but that's what I'm looking at here. See 29, 29, 55, 55. So for those shorts, you're looking about, you know, $1.25 or something like that, US dollars. All types of accessories for phones, headphones. Even got selfie sticks. Pretty neat. Kids clothes, name brand stuff. Hey, look at this. I mean, 35,000. Kids clothes. Great for baby stuff. Traveling gear. Kids clothes, toys. Not much food here. You know, occasional drink places like right here, but other than that, it's all clothing and merchandise. Jewelry.
Nude กับตัวนี้นะนุดฮะ
Get your nails done.
到底是不是中国人走了，还是好了不？
Mountains of slippers. $25,000, $1 US for a pair of slippers. Not a bad price. Pretty good shape too. Nike. That's some top brands. I guess these are $40,000. That's still a good price. Got some camera accessories. Now it looks like this is the turnaround point. So this is the actual turnaround point. I'm going to go back and make my way west again. So follow along and let's cover some more area of this beautiful market. Lots of eyeglasses. Even got the Lee brand. So I actually hit a split and I'm going to be going right since I've already came down the other side. We're here. This is a new fork. Check it out. Take a walk on the other side of the road and check out this carnival, which is part of this night market. See, that's where I came from. There's my hotel in the distance. And I actually came from the west, which is just right up the street there, but I wanted to show you this area, which is, so this is the other side, and it's all kiddie carnival type. Pretty cool. Bring your kids here. Enjoy the rides, the games, or just sit and hang out like these folks are doing. It's really festive here. I mean, you just feel it. Kind of laid back. Very nice. That's the end of this video here of the Vientiane night market. And it's really cool to come down here. Really good vibes. A lot of fun. If you're really looking for good buys, this is a really good place to come to. This is kind of a shot right here where you got a break for the sidewalk. Got a few places to eat, quick food, some barbecue, and tons and tons and tons of little vendor shops with all types of merchandise. And my hotel is right across the street, so very convenient. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in my next video. So see ya from the night market here in Vientiane, Laos. It's been a lot of fun. See ya.